Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to spotlight a user or a participant in your meetings. So first you need to open your Zoom desktop client and sign in with your account. And in case you don't have an account, all you need to do is to connect with either a Google account or Facebook account, and you can also connect with an Apple account. After you sign in, you will be directed to the home page of the desktop application. So now we will need to be in a meeting and you should be the host. So to host a meeting, you need just to click to this orange button and automatically a meeting will be started. So here, this is the meeting window, and now we want to spotlight someone. So I'm going just to change, as you can see, you can change views here, so you can see other people. And I'm going to click on the participant menu, so we can see our participants here, and we can spotlight them here, or you can just right click on them. But you should know first that to spotlight or highlight participants, you need to be at least 3 participants in a room, and they should be using their cameras. So now either you can go to your participants and click on these 3 buttons like that, and we will see spotlight for everyone. So now everyone will be seeing them, and now they are spotlighted and pinned to so everyone can see them talk, etc. Also, you can spotlight other people or add people in the highlighting. So as you can see, now there are 2 people pinned. And if you want to remove it, right click again and just click on remove spotlights from someone, and that's it. So let's remove spotlight, and this is how we can do it. Basically and simply, this is how we can spotlight others or participants in Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.